Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? Of course, you are always healthy. Let me introduce myself. My name is Enggariyadi Selastio. My number student 2020-205046, Class PBE 2, Lecture Deta Desvitasari MPD. Today I want to explain about 5 things I am bad at. Okay, next video. First, I'm a person who likes to be nervous and likes not confident in my abilities, even though I can do it with satisfying results. Second, it is very difficult for me to manage my time because as a student, of course, there are many assignments given by lecture. Not to mention that I have served as class leader at PBI2, taking care of complaints from classmates with various kind of characteristics that I have, plus homework to reduce or lighten the burden of both parents who work all day. Third, I often oversleep when I wake up, not to mention when there is a morning class. Even though I have set an alarm, but the sound of the alarm is still inferior to the drowsiness that makes me wake up often late. Fourth, I have a grumpy nature. When I am unhappy or unhappy with other people, moreover that person does not want to admit their mistakes, I will scold them. And another one, if I have the desire, and when I give information to friends, even if the information I provide is correct, then my words are ignored from their mind, anger will explode. Fifth, when I am talking or chatting with friends or during a lecture presentation, I often speak with irregular intonation. Sometimes it fits and sometimes it is messy, and usually this term is called gross or stutter when talking in a nervous state. This is all I can say. I hope the video I made can be useful for everyone. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes in word. I'm sorry too if there are words that I don't like. To Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, I beg your forgiveness. Thank you for watching my videos, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.